Hello traders, a very good morning. So this one is the 1st of June. That means the yesterday's trading session on the crude oil. So I recorded the session for this purpose to show you the importance of the Gann level in the commodity trading. And here is my entry and my exit. So let's start with this session. Now, as you can see, the crude oil probably made a top at here, as we discussed earlier in our last video on crude oil live trading. So possible that the market made the top. Now, before going further in the crude oil, let's understand the today's entry. So what is the today's entry? Uh, I mean, let's understand that. So here, this area, which I am currently made the point from this to this, the crude oil made a channel. Okay, so you might want to know that why I am drawing the channel in between the Gann, because there is no relation such as to understanding channel is important for the Gann. But this is not for the Gann only. We are going to discuss some more price action in this video too. Now, if you see the close look and at this area, okay, you will be able to understand few more steps towards the Gann. First of all, this one I draw this is based on the Fibonacci. Okay, this one is based on the Fibonacci, and if you draw this 3, this come under the Gann, because 3 is standing at the 300%. Now, when you draw this 300% in this Gann, you will be able to see the 9070 as a number 300, and the market, I mean the crude oil, made the exact top at the 9070. Okay, you can also watch today's, I mean 1st of June's Nifty analysis in both my Telegram as well as the YouTube to find out that how we find out that exact bottom and the top using the wdgann 90-degree analysis. So this one is also such kind of thing. So the market made the top at the 300% on this area. Now the next question is, what about the entry? So we found the trigger point at this particular point, and from this area we just entered. Okay, we just entered. As this is only for the teaching purpose, I did not take the large lot or anything related, and neither I do the pyramid and neither I do the other thing, but I just took the small lot to give you the basic idea about the trading. Now the second question is, it's all about the wdgann. Okay, so this one is also the based on the Gann, and I'm again going to draw the 150, which is also a Gann retracement. Now here I book the profit. Why? Because from the 300 to the 150, what is the basic difference in between these two? It is the 50% of the difference. It is the 50% of the difference. So I assume if I book the profit at the 50% in this crude oil, this can be sufficient for me. Also, you can see the market came back. Definitely market came below the 50% and it moved up to 100% because that was also the resistance of the earlier. So market came up to this letter and from there market went up. Market went up and from this particular zone again came down, again went up, again came down. So we are so while you are trading, people always keep on thinking that we have to take this move, we also have to take this move, we also have to take this move, that move, this move. What happened if I stop loss hit over here? What happened if my stop loss hit over here? But the question is, when you are coming into the market, suppose you are coming into the market at the 18 after 18, that means after 6 p.m. in the evening. If you want to understand the market and if you see there is a opportunity on the buying, you can take that opportunity. You can book that profit from this zone to that zone in between. Okay, because there are multiple layer of profit booking is there. So first of all, you have to find your schedule. You have to find your comfort zone of trading for the taking the loss, because when you are entering into the trade, there must be some predetermined loss. And the third thing is you always have to have a plan to get out. It should be in the profit or it may be in the loss. So better to book your trade in the profit, because many of the traders always lose their profit or lose their capital to wait for the bigger profits. To book the bigger profits, first of all, you must have a trading plan in which either there shall be the trailing stop loss or there should be the multiple layer profit booking. That means you are entering into the market in the 1 lot, 2 lot, 3 lot, 5 lot, 8 lot, 10 lot, 50 lot. In that way, you should get out like this way: 1 lot, 5 lot, 10 lot, 20 lot, 50 lot. So, rest of the thing is up to you. Okay, and not just you should get out in these areas, but in here also you have to put the trailing stop losses, and the trailing stop losses must be at a price in which price have the chance to hit less. Okay, so this is my analysis for you. I might give you the information about in this place and what should be the ideal entry, but as I did not take those positions for my entry, I will not give you any kind of theoretical explanation, because that will not justify. Definitely, when you are going to learn from me or I am going to teach you, in that cases there will be multiple examples in the theoretical knowledge, because not everywhere, I mean, it's not possible to trade live and trade in that thing. But here also there are multiple way of uh, learn the trade. Like suppose the market open from the 9 a.m. in the morning to 11 p.m. in the night. So it's not possible for me to trade each and every entry. Neither it is possible by you. So, suppose one of my students is taking entry at here and booking the profit over here. Some of my students is taking entry at this sell position and book profit at this position. Some of the traders are taking profit, take entry at these positions, book their loss at these positions. Again, they are entering into the trade into this position. They cover their loss and book the profit at this position. There might be some traders can book their losses also, because that depends on the individual to individual and their trading psychology. So I hope I can give you the very base example of the trading, and let me know if you like this kind of explanation, this kind of trading in this way. I would like to know your opinion, and in that case I will love to explain this kind of smaller examples to you, okay, where each and everyone can uh, learn without having any hesitation of the position size and all. So that's it from my end today, and I will see you in my next video.